I'm bench.
I've seen centuries pass across my planks. Empires, fashion trends, questionable sandwiches. Same spot, different butts. Thousands of butts. Small, large, royal, sweaty.
And then them. Children. Tiny vandals with sticky fingers. I'm basically their unpaid babysitter. Except I don't get to yell, or blink, or leave. Is that a dragon? And the lovers. Oh, the romance, the passion, the drama. Do you know how many whispered forevers I've hosted? Forever. Usually lasts until the bus schedule changes. I've seen aliens abduct pigeons and then drop them back down like, nope, wrong species. This is true. I saw a man walking an invisible dog. Best train pet I've ever seen. Rain, snow, heat waves, chickens, don't ask. I've been baked, frozen, cracked and still here. But lately, nothing. Maybe the city forgot me. Maybe they built newer benches. Or maybe humanity forgot to rest.
Oh, shut up, drama queen.
Oh, hello, lamp.
At least you sit all day. I've been standing for a century.